Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.
Next one, next one, next one.
Oh, you changed it, like you repainted the place? What is it? Oh, like the park, you know, like the, yes, the playground.
하나를 선택하여 그 앞에 서주세요.
둥그런 이 삼각형 별우산
Um,
그거 말해주면 내가
they all have.
설탕을 녹이고 있었어.
She told you. I would choose the umbrella not only because of the title of the episode, but also because all of the other ones they have square, triangles, circles, but not umbrella. I don't know.
어떻게 할까? 글쎄
A memory. You know, it melted sugar and it was an umbrella in your memory.
다 같이 한 곳으로 갔다가 모두 불리해질지도 몰라. 그럴까? 후절도 그런 말이 있어. 계란을 한 바구니에 담지 마라. 내가 서울대 경영학과 수석. 어릴 때부터 유명한 우리 신분이었어요. 그래. 아이고. 그럼 상관대로 일단 찢어져서 선장을 좀 보자. 누가 어디로 갈까요? 내가 삼각형으로 갈게. 나야.
The circle.
아, 동그라미. 네. 우리 고향 달처럼 생겼어요.
You're so sweet.
자네도 몰라. 아, 그런가요?
I would pick the umbrella. I don't know.
아, 그럼 제가 우산하죠. 우산?
He's worried. In his memory, it was an umbrella. But you're not telling him.
좋아. 기훈이 형. 아니야.
Good luck! Tell him good luck at least. I don't know. The girl, she chose what? She thinks that you understood, so she's gonna go with you.
참가자 여러분은 앞에 있는 케이스를 하나씩 가져가세요.
Candies? You have a candy into each candy, which has the form of what you chose. Like, you know, in his memory, but what are you gonna do with it?
안을 확인해 주세요.
Only count? Yes, you have a star. Okay, you are. Okay, I was right with that, but it's not really a candy. I don't know. The thing, you know, with it.
선택하신 모양은 여러분이 뽑아야 할 모양입니다.
Oh, I didn't know that game.
제한 시간은 10분입니다. 10분
You knew it, you guessed it, and you let him choose the umbrella. It's the hardest. The easiest, it's, for me, the circle and the triangle. Careful, it can break. Ah, you're gonna do little by little? The star, it's rough also, the star. Good call to use your saliva. You know, it's gonna make the sugar. Oh, the umbrella, it's the hardest. All of the different forms, all of the different angles and all. You're playing boss strategy, you know. Don't rush. I would maybe try to eat it like that little by little. I don't know. So you lost because you broke it? You're dead?
한 번만. 제발 한 번만 더.
It's oh. You know the candy, you know the sugar thing, it's thin. You are not paying attention? It's really a game. You need to have patience and to be focused. It's not helping, you know, the all around. I would be like, shut up. Let me focus. You're cheating. You're using your light. Yes, 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 because it's sugar, you know, it's easier. But they're not seeing you cheating? You're now. Bossy boss, if you want to win, you have to. You won.
111번 성공. 67번 성공.
Careful, you. Oh, is it gonna work or not?
동그라미.
Please,
199번 성공.
we're glad. Oh, maybe I have my favorite.
성공.
29번. 오늘 임무가 뭐지?
34번 성공.
제 임무는 29번의 임무는 탈락자 5번이야. 착각했습니다. 게임이 끝날 때까지 여기서 대기해. 뭘 착각했는지 그때 들어보지.
I think that the triangle and the circle
왼쪽.
mask guys,
218번 성공.
you did well, but you didn't play fair. Because I think that you knew and you didn't say. At least you suspected it.
350.
Is it good or bad water? It's gonna make it. Yes, it's gonna help. Oh, clever. You're gonna make it thin, you know? Yes, it's gonna break from. Clever. She gave it to you.
60번 성공. 70번 성공.
She really wants to be a part of your team. You have to hurry. Are they gonna understand your strategy? Yeah. How can they make that moment fun, you know, when all of their lives. Show it to someone. You're running out of time right there. Break the thing now! Enough leaking. Do it now. Now or never. You're gonna be the only umbrella who is gonna win.
성공한 참가자는 지금 즉시 놀이터를 떠나주세요.
숨을 치우세요.
Too bad. Oh! The square? You chose it. To be sure that they couldn't come, you know, as a rebellion. And now they don't care about him. He's supposed to be right there like you are. It's just.
나같이 어린 놈이
Yes, it's just a kid.
왜 이렇게 생각해?
Good call. Really good call. To choose your fate.
명심해.
Because he showed his face.
죽는다.
They're forced to be there like the candidates. Called it.
뭘 착각했는지 그때 들었지.
You're gonna be a square guy now? Don't judge me. I'm trying to make series and all. He's gonna be a square guy now. He's not gonna be one of the soldiers, like he's gonna be one of the supervisors. But all of them, they are forced to be there. Is it for financial reasons also, or is it for something else? Do they have something against you, maybe, to blackmail you? Because, you know, the fact that some of them are circle and some of them are squares, like why some of them would have more responsibility than the other ones. But no matter what, they are forced to be there. They can't be seen, you know, their faces. You know, I'm thinking about a blackmailing because the other ones, they are desperate. They are there for financial reasons. Once, the mask ones, why they are here into this place, they are obeying. Is it for money also, or is it because of a blackmail? Or for what reason? I don't know. One of them was helped. You know the note that he had into that candy, that piece of paper? It's not the policeman who put that into it because he didn't know about the game. Another masked person put that note into it. He was trying to help. The person who had the note, they took him, like, to talk with him. Why? Why these masked persons that are right there? I'm thinking of blackmailing because for money, I would be like, what? You promised how much to all of these persons, you know, to be there? It's not possible. These two of them right there were working together to help the candidates inside. To take that risk to help them. There is something wrong right there. I can't put my finger on it, but there is something wrong. They are forced to be there, okay. Why some of them are supervisors or not, that I don't know. Some tried to help the candidates. Can it be something like if you win the games, you are becoming one of the masked person? No. About the prize money, they wouldn't continue to play, you know, to have another one. I can't put my finger on it, but something is wrong right there. Okay, they are forced to be there, okay, for a reason that I don't know, but why would they help the candidates? They have to win something from it, from helping them. What would they win from that for making some of the candidates win more than the other ones? Do you understand my logic? Why? Because they know, one of them know one of the candidates. I can't go further with that theory. I don't know what, but something is wrong. Something is not functioning. But okay, the police guy is inside. Which is logical, in fact. You know, during the intro I was saying, oh, it's great, we're not gonna be only in a closed space, we're gonna have someone out making investigations and all. But in fact, by him following them, of course he was gonna try to get inside. We are in a closed space, with him being on the other side, which is great because we're gonna discover how it's working on the other side and things about these masked persons. We're gonna have answers about what I just asked right now. At some point maybe he's gonna discover why these persons are right there and maybe why right there they helped some of the candidates. It's great. So we finished the second game. I didn't know that game. Did you know it? I never played that game. I don't know if it's a cultural game, you know, only on some parts of the world, but we don't have that one in France. All of the strategy, you know, to have it right by eating it, by licking it, by using, you know, the fire thing and all, it was good strategies. If you think about it, the only one who didn't cheat right there is the grandpa. Oh! Oh, my neighbor is making a lot of noise. I'm sorry for that. Can you stop? I'm saying that they cheated because they didn't use what they were supposed to use. Gi-hun, he licked the thing. The bossy boss and the crazy lady, it was a fire. The girl and Sang-woo, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, they cheated because they knew what was gonna be the game. The only one who truly played the game with the tool that he was supposed to use, and only that, it was a grandpa. I'm sorry to suspect him that much. I'm really trying my best to not suspect him, but come on. I have to suspect him. During this episode, he didn't give me any new reason to suspect him, or at least a new clue for me to suspect him. But on the other hand, he didn't give me nothing also to stop suspecting him. It's bad because I can see that he can be a really good character, a really nice one and all. Like, I smiled at some moments because of stuff that he was saying and all, but I can't get that out of my mind, the fact that I'm suspecting him of being involved from the inside. Again, maybe because I watched too much the first movie Saw, and you know, the power that I can make with it is really big and all. I don't want to say any spoiler again. The fact that he said that he was playing these games when he was young. His wife is dead, but he talked about his son. He didn't say anything about his son. Maybe his son is the mastermind? That crazy lady, she's gonna be fun a lot. I can feel it. She's gonna bring something fun into the show, which is great. But her voice and also, you know, her attitude, at some point it can be annoying also. If at some point she would die, we have to steal her the fire thing. I think that it can be useful, not only for this game, you know. No matter what, it can be useful. The girl, she didn't put back really well the thing. I hope that she's not gonna be discovered because of that. She's so clever also, the fact that she has a knife with her, that can be useful also. The fact that Sang-woo, he didn't say, you know, to his brother, to his best friend, you know, that it was gonna be this game, and he let him choose the umbrella knowing that if he was right about the game, it was gonna be really hard for him. I mean, if it's truly your best friend, you know, kind of your brother, and you're suspecting the game to be that, you have that instinct at least, I wouldn't take the risk to lose my brother, you know, my best friend, with that. And I think that if Gi-hun is discovering the truth about it, he's not gonna be happy about what you just did. For a good reason. I love the team that they made. I just want the girl to be a part of it, which is almost the case, you know, at the end of this episode. She's gonna be a part of it, I think. Which means that we have 5 people into this group. It's bad. It's bad because, you know, if I'm right about the fact that the first game that we saw at the beginning of the first episode is gonna be the last game of this show, it was a team of 4 who won it, you know. They were cheering, there were 4 of them. If I'm right about that, we need to have only 4 of them, which means that one of them is gonna die. Not Ali. He's so sweet! Not him, the sweet guy, really, I want to keep him. I'm glad that they are sweet with him because he's sweet with them. I want to keep him as an ally until the end. He's so sweet and his story also is so nice, so great. It was the second game, the 3rd episode. We have 9 episodes, which means that some of these episodes are not gonna be about the games, but about maybe what is happening right there, or story about the mastermind, or some memories maybe. We can have a flashback episode or something like that. I can see that happening with a show like that. Oh, it's so great! I'm so glad that I watched one episode today, like really. I'm so involved into this show already. It's so nice and I'm so excited about it. Like I said in intro, it has been a long time that I was not that excited about a new show, so I'm so glad that I'm discovering it. You know that moment when you're discovering a new show that you know that you're gonna love and you're so excited about discovering what is gonna happen during each episode? Oh, it's so cool. But it's so bad also because I have to edit videos, the 3 first episodes, to give you these 3 first episodes during the week which is gonna come right there. So I'm not sure that I'm gonna be able to watch a new episode until at least Wednesday or Thursday, and it's bad. I really want to know what is gonna happen next, and also I'm afraid now of seeing spoilers about it, you know, on Twitter or stuff like that. Because really, on the French Twitter, this show is on the top tweets since 1 week now, since it's out on our Netflix. Maybe I'm gonna have to avoid Twitter until I finish the show or something like that. Or at least to be really careful with it. So cool! I'm so glad that I took the time to watch one episode today, even if it was not planned, even if it's gonna... Really a lot of work, and my days are gonna be really long during the future days, the future weeks. But it's so worth it. Oh, and I didn't tell you that during the intro and review of the 2 last episodes, but be careful with spoilers on the comments because you don't know if I watched the entire season and you don't want to tell me any spoilers. And do that also for the viewers who are watching my reaction videos. You don't know if they had the time to watch everything. Really be careful with spoilers. I'm not gonna be nice with you if you are putting spoilers on the comments. I'm gonna erase them, and really you're so not subtle that I can know that it's a spoiler comment without reading it. I learned my lesson, you know, with some shows that I binge watched. It's really easy, in fact, to do that. So I'm gonna erase your comment, and maybe also I'm gonna block you. Now I don't have any patience with persons who are doing that. So be careful. So it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.